Grateful for the things that you have done. Yes, I'm grateful for the victories we won. I could go on and on and on about your words, because I'm grateful, grateful, so grateful to praise you, Lord. Flowing from my heart are the issues of my heart is gratefulness. Grateful, 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 gratefulness is flowing from my heart.